people put these on their eyes. This is the size. This is the size of what? Hello. I'm trying something new today and I'm nervous. I have also royally screwed up my eyeliner, so I thought what a good time to try to hide it behind giant eyelashes. So I've never used Lily lashes before. I have never used them. I got them on a whim because, you guessed it, they were like half off or something ridiculous like that. And I was like, well, if there's any time to buy these like $28 lashes or however much they usually are, now's the time. You've seen them everywhere, I'm sure, if you watch any makeup people, however you want to word that. They're faux mink, they're the Lily lashes, Miami style. Why did I get these? I have you a little bit closer today because, I don't know, it just made sense to my brain, so, God. And my hair, and we're rocking a wolf shirt today. Oh yeah, I need the power. I need the power. I haven't watched any how to apply false lashes. I don't know what I'm doing. This is how they look in the box. Huge, they're gigantic. I always assumed that they looked normal, whatever that means. But yeah, so it comes in this little thing. It was actually wrapped in plastic, and then this is the cardboard container. It says 1 pair of faux mink, contains 1 pair of faux mink lashes, cruelty-free strip lash, up to 20 uses per pair. We'll see about that. Will I see about that? I don't even know if I can put them on. It says it's a multi-dimensional lash, and then it has the Lily lashes. In case you were wondering, my mirror I have a little bit closer to me, so that's this silver thing. Sorry, but I need to see. Yeah. So I got this duo glue that is the brush-on adhesive, or adhesive? How do people in the UK say it strangely? Adhesive? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna slowly, gently pull them away from the plastic, like away from here, so you know what I'm saying? Because if you kind of like yank them off, I think it's gonna, I don't know, they seem fragile, so I kind of like pick the corners off with my nail, and then you got your little caterpillar. Oh my god. In my mind, I know I should trim it, but my heart doesn't want to. These are huge. Literally, what am I doing? Okay, I also, oh, I'm gonna throw them. I also have these little tweezers from Sephora. They're like the little lash ones, so they have that little curve to them. So I think if I bend it a little bit, kind of get it a little more bendy. I've seen people do that, or they like wrap them around pencils. Honestly, these really freak me out. It makes me feel like I have a caterpillar on my finger. I'm kind of sweating. I need some water. Imagine leaving this somewhere, like accidentally dropping it somewhere, and I can just feel myself in the future doing that, and then like, yeah, doing one of those because I think it's a bug or something. It smells perfumey. What smells perfumey? Anyway, I'm gonna, I feel like I should trim it. These just seem gigantic. Maybe like a tiny edge, and I know you're supposed to trim out from here so that maybe it'll lay a little more naturally. Okay, okay. I'm gonna trim them because I'm afraid, and so I have my little skizzers, and I'm gonna trim off like a little, I'm doing this so wrong, God. Someone's gonna drag me. What does one do? Maybe I should just try to put them on without. No, that's gonna like stab my inner corner. I kind of have big eyes, so you know what? Maybe I won't trim it. Let's see what happens when I do that, when I don't trim it. Because I'm scared. And I don't want to trim it if I don't have to. Who says that I have to? Everyone on the internet. Yeah, that's it. Look how this liner just, oh yeah. Today was not my day for eyeliner. So I decided it would be my day for false lashes. Okay, I'm gonna start with my right eye because, and I know, this I do know, you let it get tacky, you put the glue on, you go, let it get tacky, and then you put it on your eyeball. I'm scared. This little brush, that was cute. I'm glad I decided to do that. How much should you put on here? How much glue do you like? I feel like I'm not putting on enough, so I'm gonna put more on. Is that right? I don't know. This might be a mistake. I feel like, is that enough? Is that not enough? Am I just jumping into this? Okay. Am I doing it right? I should have watched the Raw Beauty Christie video she has on these and how to do false lashes for beginners or something. I think she has one of those. I should have watched it. Watched all her other videos. Love her. It's too early, God. How you doing? Good? Not good. Literally, how long do you wait? Should I time myself? Maybe I'll try without. I'm gonna try without these first. Just using my hands. My fingers. My hands. Oh yeah, the sun's coming out to really illuminate all my problems. Maybe I should, I feel like I should wait even longer. Maybe I should do the left eye first. It's too late now. You know what? It's probably fine. I'm scared. Okay. I don't think I should have used my hands. I think I should have used the tweezers. It's too late now. Why am I whispering? Help. Am I gonna go blind? I'm scared. I haven't blinked in a while. I can't see you. Okay, alright. And I've heard, pinch them together. This is gonna give all my credit away for doing makeup literally anytime, but I can apply lashes to other people. So really it shouldn't be that different, Courtney. You know this stuff. Oh god. Oh my god, they're huge. My timer's still going. It's been 2 minutes. Relax. Okay. Alright. I went in with the biggest lash that I feel like I could have possibly found. Although these do look incredible on Manny MUA. You know what I'm talking about? Which I feel like you do. Oh, wow. Natural. Okay. Let's just squeeze that on my eyeball. Press them down a little bit or something. What do you do at the end of this? What happens now? What happens now? I look like I'm gonna fly away with just the one. Let's do the other one. I can see it. Not really, it's not that bad. Okay. Next. I don't know how old this glue is, I'm kind of scared. Maybe I shouldn't do this, but. Alright, so I'm gonna bend it a little bit, make it a little malleable. How do people do this? These lashes are giant. They're up to my eyebrows. They're in my eyebrows. Okay, putting on the glue, the Duo brush on adhesive. I always want to make sure, like I've done this a million times. I feel like I want to make sure that I get the corner, because you know when you're at the club, you see the girl in the bathroom fixing her corner lash? You know what I'm talking about? Miss going to see drag shows. Really bad, really bad. Put a little bit more on, because, I don't know, because, alright. Lash glue on. I feel like there's a butterfly sitting on my lid. Timing it. I feel like that's enough glue. I don't want to do too much. I mean, literally. Look at that. I'm sure if I snipped off like a teeny tad of it and then just kind of make it, like put it on the outside. Okay, how do I can't speak. I'm sure that if I clipped like a little tiny bit off and then just scooted it over, it would really give me that fanned out effect. I feel like I would like that. But really, there's just something in me that is just, I just want to try them without clipping and see what happens. Am I gonna look like a brat still after this? Do they even have big lashes? Big lips and big eyes and tiny noses. I definitely think tight lining my eyes would look better. Okay, it's literally been a minute, so I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Now the trick is, let's see, look at this wonky eyeliner. God, it's so bad. Let's cover it up. I feel like I want to use my left hand. No. I'm scared. Both hands, yeah. That's not weird at all. Okay. Oh, I put it way too high. Oh my god, I feel like, why am I doing this? I don't know. Alright, let's try these. Why am I using both hands for that? Try to pinch them together. Is that what you do? Ow. I'm beautiful. I am so aware of the fact that this is so wrong and this is not how you're supposed to do this. You need to trim them. I should probably tight line my eyes, blend them with mascara. Let's blend them with mascara just because we're here, and I might just do that a little bit. Because my lashes are pretty blonde and I can see them. I'm not gonna touch that one anymore, never mind. I'm gonna put some bottom mascara on because otherwise, you know, it really doesn't matter. Wow, holy crap. I feel like I can put more bottom mascara on because of the top, my god. I feel like I look like something's not right. No. Okay. I'm going to fly away. I feel like, actually, you know what? I bet if I really kept these on for a while, I bet I'd kind of feel it. Wow. That's really all I have for this video. I just wanted to try putting on these outrageous lashes for fun. Like I said, I got them kind of on a whim, and I never wear false lashes. I think I have once, and it was for my brother's wedding years ago. But yeah, I've never done this, so yeah, I don't know, it's just kind of fun to try, and this is not a tutorial of any kind. I'm sure if I practice more, obviously, like, you know, I could do that, but this makes me want to like take on my eyeshadow to like my temples and like make my lips really big and like all that stuff, and so maybe I will at some point, but I just kind of wanted to get my like first impressions of trying to put on these false lashes because they're so ridiculous, and I feel like every time I blink it's like blink blink, like in cartoons, you know, and like little cute characters are just like, oh me. Yeah, that's how I feel. Either that or that I could like destroy somebody. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know, just something fun to do. I'm in quarantine, so things are getting weird. As always, I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching today. If you want to like or comment, or please subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you're doing well, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Man, people do this all the time. I could see that if you did this all the time and you saw yourself with these big lashes, like why would you go back? Oh god, is that gonna happen to me? Wow, the technique here is just so flawed. Please don't come for me. You will, but that's okay. Should I go get lip injections now? No, stop it, stop it, stop it. Feels real weird. Blink, 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 blink. Am I getting used to this? Am I cute? Look, I'm ugly again. I feel like I ripped out my own lashes. Oh, that's so upsetting. This is why I don't wear false lashes. I just took a Q-tip with makeup remover and like soaked it. This is me now. This is how I've always been. Wow, that feels so much better. That was a strange feeling. I feel like I ripped out so many of my own lashes. Dang it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that for a long time. That was scary. That glue might have been old. there an expiration date on these things? 12 months. I don't know when I bought this. I'm gonna do that thing where you glue your lip. Wait. This gives me a rash. I'm gonna kill someone. I need to get off the internet. It's not ideal, but I'm gonna do it. It's so weird. I kind of look like, oh, I am feeling weird. Oh, it's really drying now. Just change everything about my face and let's just see what happens. Is this what it would be like? Is this what it's like for people? This is terrifying. It doesn't look that bad.